Today we got our office visitor here. He's been traveling a lot, moving around from place to place. Has a lot of stiffness going on into his mid back. So let's go ahead and get him adjusted. So you're gonna see a standard adjustment. We're gonna go ahead and find right here T5, T6. Then we're gonna go ahead and T3, T4. He has some restriction into his shoulder, into the CT junction. We're gonna go ahead and relax that. Good. And relax this one. We're gonna have him on his side facing me, and right here we're gonna go L3 on the right. We're gonna see where he has a restriction. There's C1, 2, 3 on the right, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. Let it go, let it go, let it go. He's resisting. There we go. Good. On here we help with back pain, neck pain. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 954-225-4007. Thanks. Bye.